An overview of the language area inside Zenler. From your admin dashboard, go to Site and go to Language. Inside this area, you will have the option to change the text to your default language. This covers general text within the site, within the course player, within the curriculum, the checkout, any messages, any affiliate information, any funnel information that is generated by default. You can also change the language of system emails. These are emails that go out by default from Zenler. And you can also change the pricing language as well. The language section of your site allows you to make this site your own and for your own country. This is the language section inside of Zenler.